Now, I know you guys were like, "Oh man, we need another Datsun episode." Well, here we go. We're going to cut out this trunk and adapt the rotisserie so it can still turn in a circle. All right, before I get to cutting this out some more and really getting going, we've got a little special announcement for you.
So, just a quick update. You might see that some of our video production qualities might drop just a little bit. Unfortunately, our videographer was kind of doing this as a favor to us as a friend.
Yeah.
But he's just too busy really to help out anymore. And unfortunately, our business is too small to really pay him what he's worth. And because of that, we're going to be doing this ourselves now.
Yep, so you're going to see me holding the camera, lots of GoPro footage. Going to try to still keep the content interesting as we move forward with the Datsun build, but unfortunately, we're going to try to do it ourselves. If you guys have any comments or whatnot, how we can improve these videos, please put them below. We love to hear from you.
So bear with us a little bit. The first couple of videos this year, I think, are going to be a little shaky as we kind of figure out how to do audio and the video, but the content's not changing, and that's really what matters.
Yep, and speaking of content, I'm going to get back started. All right, I've got most of the front of the car done. The floor's in, started tying everything together. It's just about welded out, but the next thing I've got to tackle is this trunk right back here. You can see there is rust through it, and I could not come up with a good way just to patch it because it's in the frame rail here. There's little spots there. It's not going to work. So I'm going to cut it out, but I really wanted to maintain the functionality of the rotisserie. I need to be able to still turn this, get the floor plate, the new trunk plate in, come underneath, weld, whatnot else. So what I've done, or what I'm going to do, is I'm going to come off these two mounting studs for the diff, if you will, and tie that back into the rotisserie here. This way I can cut out the trunk and not worry about where the rotisserie is holding on to this main frame bracket when I cut that out. So I'm gonna get to burning out some plates, get all this set up, tacked up in place, welded out, and then we'll cut out the trunk. As you can see, I've got this bracket done. It didn't quite work out the way I wanted it to. It's got way too much flex in it, and the horizontal direction, and really it didn't work vertically to hold the car either. So I'm going to beef that up. I'm going to put some additional tubes here and there and see if that'll work. And it should look something like that. We're done. So now we'll get to cutting the trunk out. So that looks pretty good. I got the trunk cut out. Next step, clean up all this metal here and then get ready to put in the new stuff. So I'm gonna call it a night and I'll get started again another day.